Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at what can be expected in the month of April. Okay, and as these are general readings, won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's see what's in store for Pisces, what can be expected for Pisces in the month of April. Okay, so what's there for Pisces in the month of April? Messages for Pisces for the month of April. Okay, we have the Devil, the Ace of Cups, the Queen of Wands, Three of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, the Knight of Cups, Six of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Star. Okay. Well, so Pisces, there has been some negativity definitely in your life with the Devil being there. The reading is starting with the Devil, but then we have a beautiful Ace of Cups over here. So there has been a situation over here which you feel chained to, or there is some sort of a pattern or some sort of an addiction is there. But with the Ace of Cups, there is a new beginning which is coming in, and you are feeling very good about yourself. Okay, so so there is definitely a new beginning which is promising you a very emotional offer is there for you basically, and you're feeling good about yourself. And here with the Three of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, and the Knight of Cups, what I feel is that this is the time, like you are either collaborating with people or meeting with people or discussing something over here with your family and friends. And with the Six of Cups and the Knight of Cups, what I feel is there is either some sort of a reconciliation coming in with someone, or it may be somebody from the past, or maybe somebody new, because with the Ace of, we have the Ace of Cups there. So what I feel here is that you are feeling very good about yourself, discussing things with your family or friends about a sort of a reconciliation or about a new beginning or opening up with the Knight of Cups. Before opening up or opening up emotionally for a connection over here, because you want your happy times back. It can be as simple as that. It can be, for some of you, it can be a reunion from somebody from the past. For others of you, it is like getting back to happy times once again with this new offer and moving towards this person and opening up emotionally to this person. With the Six of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the Star, what I feel is that you, after once you move towards this person emotionally, you are balancing your life basically, and having good times with the Three of Cups, celebrating, partying, and feeling good about yourself, and maybe feeling good with this person. So what I feel is that you are balancing your life, or once you are opening up emotionally for this person, things are getting balanced, or you are balancing something over here. And with the Three of Cups and the Star, this situation is actually getting balanced and sorted out. There is a lot of hope, a lot of healing, a lot of parting and happy times together. It can be a reconciliation or a reunion for some of you, but for those of you who are not wanting a reunion or a reconciliation with someone, or don't really have anyone like that, for those of you, you are getting back to those happy times. You are getting back to your happy times basically. With the Six of Cups, maybe there has been a time in which you were tied to this Devil. Yes, it can be this. Maybe there was a time in your life when you were addicted to something, or addicted to some person. You really feel chained down to the situation, or there was some sort of a addiction pattern, or there's something which was negative over here. But what I feel here is, somehow I really don't feel this being tied to this entire thing as such, because what I feel here is that you are sorting out your life, you're balancing your life, feeling happy about yourself and healing yourself, focusing on your happiness, celebrating this happy times once again, partying and having fun with your family and friends. And one more thing, what I feel is that it, yes, it can be a reconciliation for some of you. And see, one more thing I would like to add here, Pisces. For those of you who are wanting a reconciliation or entering a reunion over here, then I think then it is an addiction for you. It is a repeated pattern. You keep on falling for this person again, again and again. Then it can be that also, because with the star, maybe this is a person whom you feel is your wish come true. And again, if you want to reconcile with this person, then you really need to guard yourself. You really need to be very, very vigilant, because maybe there is, they make a new offer to you and you just fall for them once again. And maybe this is the pattern, this has been happening again and again in your life. Maybe that is why this devil is talking about. So for some of you, maybe you are getting rid of the devilish energy or the negativity in your life, and you're ready for a new offer of love, and you're ready for a new beginning with somebody else, and you're getting back to your own happiness once again, not with this person, but yes, with other families and family and friends. Okay, it can be that, for because for some of you, I really am not able to connect to this devil card over there. It is, to me, it's looking like a separate energy, and this seems to be connected as a new beginning. But since it is showing up there, then and for those of you who are reconciling, you really need to be vigilant about this energy, that maybe the offer which they are making, maybe because of the lack of control, maybe they are losing control on you. Maybe it's maybe just trying to trap you once again, in the sense that they feel that you are out of their control, you've left them or something like that, and that is why they are coming back. So you really need to be vigilant about that. Definitely you need to guard yourself. You really need to guard your happiness. Suddenly I felt drawn to this black cat out here. So what I feel is, because you are now feeling good and passionate and feeling really beautiful about yourself, you really need to guard your happiness. You really need to guard your this Queen of Wands energy. You really need to guard it. That is what I am getting it very, very strongly. You really need to guard yourself from the devil there. Messages, what is the message from this deck? With the Eight of Diamond, this is a comfort which you have achieved after really working hard on yourself. So don't mess up with it. Don't let anybody mess up with your happiness now, Pisces. Let's see what is the message from the angels. Organization, number 4 may be of some significance for you. Your plans are on target, and everything will flow more smoothly if you add a little organization and discipline to your methods. The key to success is allow your creativity to be gently guided by logic. Be open to asking for help from someone very intellectual, or seek out a mentor. So Pisces, I just feel that you need to be a little more cautious and alert, and guard your happiness. Don't fall into the trap once again. Either you have already get rid of this person. So if this person comes back, then I don't think you should accept this person. But if you are ready for a new beginning, maybe you've already left this negative energy. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.